Dominic.
Good job, buddy. Yes, my name is Enrique Morris. Welcome, everyone. Thankful for all those new followers, all over the world, but in special those Brazilian followers. I want you to stay the whole video with us because I'm about to show you this Pasarela Estaiada here in the city Piracicaba. Remember, this is the capítulo or chapter number 3, okay? And also the little wildness and how to reach to this place. All right, guys? Noah have something to say.
I got the bottle here. If you don't.
Show them. Show them. Where is the turtle?
It's there, the turtle.
Let me see.
It's right there, the turtle.
Yeah, I'm seeing it. Folks, how to reach to this Pasarela Estaiada. Remember, guys, one very important thing. If you're going to the wilderness, please don't throw the garbage on the floor. Keep safe in natural environment. Mother Nature is just only one. Yes, I'm okay, puppy. Folks, I invite you always to watch the last chapter here in the city of Piracicaba. Eu posto um novo video toda sexta-feira, galera. Falei. I hope you understand my bad Portuguese, folks, all right? I just want to say thank you very much. Big hug, full energy, blessing, and a lot of love for all of you guys. Thank you very much one more time. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me that thumb up. Comment one more time if you like this video. And until the next time.